A top U.S. military general says the United States and its allies are considering providing Ukraine with fighter jets, a decision that would sharply escalate the level of weaponry being sent to Kyiv. General Charles Brown, Air Force Chief of Staff, said the jets could come from the U.S. or its allies. "I can't speculate what aircraft they go to," Brown said in an interview at the Aspen Security Forum. President Volodymyr Zelensky has pleaded for fighter jets for months, saying Russia's air supremacy has been a major stumbling block in his country's efforts to repel the invasion. In March, the US and NATO scuttled Poland's proposal to send its Russian-built MiGs to Ukraine. White House National Security spokesman John Kirby said at the time the proposal might be mistaken as escalatory and could provoke a Russian military confrontation with NATO. Brown said Wednesday that Russian MiGs won't be sent to Ukraine, saying with a laugh that it will be tougher to get parts from the Russians. "It'll be something non-Russian," he said. "I could probably tell you that, but I can't tell you exactly what it's going to be." Russian President Vladimir Putin is entirely too healthy, but the Russian military already has taken significant casualties in Ukraine, CIA Director William Burns said at the Aspen Security Forum. Burns dismissed persistent rumors that Putin, who traveled to Iran this week, is gravely ill from cancer or some other malady as unlikely. Burns said that Russia's military has adapted after suffering catastrophic failures early in the war. Latest estimates from the U.S. intelligence community put the number of Russian soldiers killed at about 15,000 and maybe 45,000 wounded, Burns said. "One of my recent conversations with one of my Ukrainian counterparts, he pointed out that the dumb Russians are all dead," Burns said. He added that Ukrainians have likely suffered fewer but still significant casualties. Ukrainian First Lady Olena Zelenska on Wednesday urged the U.S. to provide more weapons for her country's fight for our shared values of human life. In her address to Congress, Zelenska thanked the U.S. for the billions of dollars already committed. "You help us and your help is very strong," Zelenska said. "While Russia kills, America saves, and you should know about it. We thank you for that." Zelenska showed photos of children and families destroyed by Russia's unrelenting missile attacks on Ukraine's cities. She pleaded for more U.S. air defense weaponry to fend off the Russian military, not to kill children in their strollers. Zelenska met with Secretary of State Antony Blinken on Monday and President Joe Biden on Tuesday, who tweeted after their meeting, "First Lady of Ukraine Olena Zelenska embodies the same tenacity and resilience as the country she hails from." Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues.